welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dior unboxing. I picked some things up from the Dior holiday collection. There's also a new loyalty program in place. It started October 1st, 2024. So I wanted to review what the new loyalty program looks like compared to what it used to look like. The new system is called Beauty Prive, and let's talk about the differences between the old system and the new. So you still have the different levels: Guest, Pearl, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Now, anybody shopping on Dior.com can check out as a guest, and this only entitles you to regular samples. If you want to reach the next status, which would be Pearl, you have to register a Dior account and spend at least $350. In the old system, you could reach Pearl status simply by creating an account. Now, in the Pearl system that we have now, this entitles you to regular samples plus one iconic miniature of your choice at checkout. You also get member-exclusive invitations to online masterclasses and access to all the member-exclusive online masterclasses. You also get a 15-minute one-on-one consultation with a Dior Pro Team member and early access to new products. Now, the next status is Silver. Now, in the old system, if you wanted to reach Silver status, you had to have two purchases of $150 combined. This entitled you to perks like a silver welcome gift and exclusive events, as well as those samples and miniatures at checkout. In the new reward system, you have to have two purchases of a combined $350, and this entitles you to regular samples, two iconic miniatures, a subscription to Dior digital magazine, member-exclusive invitations to online masterclasses. You also receive a welcome gift, a 15-minute one-on-one consultation with a Dior Pro Team member, and early access to new products. Now, the next status is Gold status. In the old system, in order to reach Gold status, you needed three purchases of $500 combined. This gave you perks like a Gold welcome gift, Gold birthday gift, 45-minute consultation, and exclusive access to Dior events. In the new system, you get the regular samples, two deluxe miniatures, that digital subscription to Dior, in-store event access, which I think is really cool. I would really be excited to attend one of those in-store events and see what they're all about. Member-exclusive invitations to online masterclasses, member-exclusive online masterclasses. Now, for the gift, you get a welcome gift as well as a birthday gift. You also get a 15-minute one-on-one consultation, a 30-minute one-to-one consultation, and early access to new products. Now, the last tier is the Platinum tier. In the old system, you had to make four purchases of $900 combined, and you got perks like a Platinum welcome gift, a Platinum birthday gift, a deluxe holiday gift, a 45-minute consultation 3 times per year, and exclusive access to Dior events, which would be like the master classes. In the new system, you need to make four purchases of $1,600 combined, and then that entitles you to the regular samples, 2 deluxe miniatures, the Dior digital subscription to the magazine, in-store events, member-exclusive invitations to online masterclasses, member-exclusive online masterclasses, and a masterclass in person, which I think is very, very cool. I would love to attend one of those and maybe film it for you guys sometime. Now, when you reach Platinum status, you're still going to receive the welcome gift and the birthday gift, as well as the holiday gift. But now there's a summer gift too, which I think is a nice addition to get that extra gift midway through the year. You also get the 15-minute one-on-one consultation, the 30-minute one-on-one consultation, and of course, early access to new products. Now, as before, with all the statuses starting from Pearl onward, you do get complimentary shipping, which is nice. I do like the addition of the summer gift. However, I am a little bummed out because there has been a significant increase in the amount you have to spend in order to attain each level of loyalty. So what do you guys think about the new loyalty system? Another thing they took away were the quizzes, where you could each month take quizzes, earn charms, and then submit those charms or points at the end of the month to win prizes. I personally never won anything, and they got rid of these about a month ago. So those were always like a little fun extra. What do you guys think of the new loyalty rewards program? Are you bummed out about it? Are you excited about it? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So I purchased some of the things from the holiday collection this year, and I really, really liked their holiday collection. I didn't see the lipstick clutch though that they usually do, and I don't know if it's going to be coming. I would like to see that though. I missed out on it last year, but it is always a really popular item. And as you can see, they went with a beautiful gold and white theme, which is what they've done in past years for the holiday packaging. This is last year's holiday packaging in comparison. I just love it. I always think it's really, really pretty every year and looks really great under the tree or as a gift. And now that we are in October, it is kind of time to start thinking about the holidays, which feels so early to me. It came so fast. Let's actually talk about the things that I got for free. Now, I got a pouch with a promo code. I'll go ahead and put it at the bottom of the screen. But I got this soft white little velvety pouch with that promo code. Inside, you can see it has the logo. As part of that promo code, I also got the Le Nectar Premier Serum, which is a nice little deluxe sample as well, so I'm excited to try that. And I also got a fragrance miniature of Amber Nui. And again, here are the items that I got with that promo code.
That code has since expired, but here's another one, Fall Makeup 24. If you use this code on orders of $150 or more, it'll get you the Dior playing cards, a black Dior beauty bag, and a Dior lip maximizer mini. This code is only good for a week from this video, so if you're watching this later than a week, this code might have expired as well.
Now, I also got to pick 2 deluxe miniatures. So the first one that I picked was another fragrance, New Look. I actually think I have this one. They didn't have a lot of fragrances to choose from, but I do like to collect these little mini bottles, so that's what I picked up. And then the other deluxe miniature that I chose was a Dior Prestige La Creme. This is a small little sample, but I'm excited to try this too, and I think it goes well with the mini that I got as part of the promo code. I then picked up the Dior Forever Couture Luminizer, and I'm really excited about the packaging for this one because it just looks absolutely beautiful, and I love that gold and white design that it has. Now, I picked this up in the shade 002 Coral Lumiere, and I just love that design that it has at the front with like the embossing. It's so beautiful. This is what the swatch looks like on my finger, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my wrist. And I just think that looks very, very pretty. Now, I did see Hey It's Jacqueline swatch 001 and 002 in her video, which I'll link in the description below, but they seemed very, very similar. So I did end up choosing the darker one because it was a little bit different, and I had a lot of champagne-y gold luminizers already, so this is the one that I ended up picking. Now, the other thing that I picked up from this year's holiday collection is the eyeshadow palette, and I totally ruined my nail just opening that. It was closed so tightly, but I didn't have anything like this in my collection, and I was kind of due for a new eyeshadow palette, and I thought this would look really nice on my dark eyes. Let's just take a moment to look at how beautiful this box is. You have this gold bar that opens up like so, and then you have some fleur-de-lis, and just the design is very beautiful. Definitely a collector's piece and would look so beautiful on any vanity. I really liked the color story as well. Again, I have brown dark eyes, and I thought some of these colors would look really nice on me and suit me well, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. And it does come with a little applicator. Shade swatches again. I think I can create some nice looks with this, and again, some colors that I think will really suit my eyes. And the formula on these is really creamy, so very happy with this purchase. And again, I really love the design of the palette. I think it's so beautiful and special. And then finally, the last thing in my order, which I'm most curious to see, is one of Dior's holiday gift sets with the pouch. Now, this year they have a brand new pouch. If you remember, in past years they had this blue velvet beautiful pouch, but I was excited to see that they were gonna switch it up this year. I did pick up the mascara gift set. So here is the pouch in person. It has like a gold glitter thread through it. It does have some white in there. It is like, it reminds me sort of like grass paper. If you've ever been in a house that has that grass paper wallpaper, that's sort of what this is reminding me of. There are 2 charms on the top. You have the star as well as the CD, and it opens up like so. And then inside it is a white sort of satiny fabric, and you do have the logo in there too. Really excited about these new gift pouches. Again, let's compare it to last year's and tell me what you think. I did see some people say that they were disappointed in the pouches online on Sephora, which had me a little bit worried, but I don't know, I actually really like it. I mean, it does feel like a gift with purchase pouch. It's not super, super luxe, but I do think it is pretty and I do like the gold. And I did pick up the mascara version. So there are a few versions, but I wanted to pick one up that was under $100. This one is retailing for about $60, I believe. And it comes with the lash primer and the mascara. And it comes with the Dior Show Maximizer 4D Base Serum. And then it does come with the mascara from Dior Show as well. It's a volumizing mascara and it's supposed to last 24 hours and it comes in the color black. And if you want to see the wands, if you haven't used this mascara before, this is the kind of wand it has. It's a really thick, fluffy, nice wand. I really like this mascara. There is a gift set with the Overcurl mascara if that's one that you prefer from Dior. I really love that mascara as well. That wand has a curve to it, and that gift set also comes with the blush in pink as well as the oil. There is another gift set that if you just want the lip oil in the shade pink and the blush in the shade pink as well, you can get that one for under $100. I believe that one's around $80, which I think is a really nice option considering that I know a lot of people are usually between Dior and Chanel gift sets when it comes to the holiday gift sets. And being that Chanel's are all over $100, it is nice that Dior has some options for around $60 to $80. All right guys, well this is everything that I picked up in my latest order. I hope this video was helpful for you if you are thinking about picking up any of these holiday items or if you just wanted to see what this pouch looked like. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.